In this video, we're going to take a look at the incoming call on the iPhone iOS 17 with the default Reflection Ringtone sound. So here are the incoming call. The sound is quite soft, so I'm going to increase it. Now you can answer the call by tapping on the accept button. During the incoming call, if the sound suddenly goes softer, you can go into settings. Then in here we go down and then tap on Face ID and passcode. And then we go down and make sure you turn off attention aware features, because when you leave this on, then when you're looking at the phone, the sound will be lower. And I'm going to switch it off. And that's it. That is the incoming call on the iPhone running iOS 17.